drop it and let her go until you feel its paws at the bottom. Oh my, what's going on over there? Peter, she needs help. Use this to put your legs right up to and you can lean down and pull back. Use your back.
First fish right in the jaw. Come on in, get a photo.
Touch them. Lean over. Let it sit for a second.
Pull, pull, pull.
No. Got it.
Yeah,
you got it. There you go. Got one. Go, girl.
Look at her. She ain't letting this fish get the best of her.
Oh, nice one.
Yep.
Bring that rod tip right over to me. Bring the tip. There you go. You want to talk about it? What we just do here? What happened to you?
Caught my second fish of the day.
Yeah? Was it
Yeah.
easy or what?
Super hard to pull it up, but I got it.
How long did it take?
Hard. About like 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes? How long did it take for it to eat the bait once it got down there?
Well, I rolled it down in about a minute or two.
Yeah? Got straight up hammered. Girl's doing good. First time out.
Thank you.
Catching some good fish.